Hello Naturophiles, we're here in Port Kembla and we are about to do the Port Kembla Heritage Walk. It starts with a sketchy walk down this hill, as you can see, as cars drive by, so be careful. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So from the main road, we turn this way and then we're gonna skirt round the headland. So we're walking along the rock shelf now. As you can see, it can get a bit wet. Watch out when it's high tide because you don't want to get taken into the ocean and have the local people rescue you. It's quite embarrassing. That in the background is the remnants of a wartime bunker. I believed it was used for spotting ships and submarines off the coast when we were in the war with the Japanese. Now it's a good spot to hide from the sun while there's no cloud cover, I guess. Onwards. So here we obviously join back onto the paved path. Makes it easier walking. So from here we head on to Fishermans Beach. Very deceptive name because as you can see there are no fishermen, but plenty of people swimming. Just look at this beach. Hardly anyone here. So from here, we continue along the rock shelf. Make sure you do this at low tide though, otherwise it's going to get quite dangerous. This is the remains of the industry that helped establish Port Kembla. And there in the distance is the massive break wall. So this is the halfway point before we head back along the loop trail. Not a bad view from here. That break wall is really cool. And this seems to be some sort of navigational system here. Don't quote me on that, but cool. Let's turn back. As you can see, we've hit the industrial section of this walk. You can choose to continue along the same way we came, but I'm gonna do it this way just to make sure it's a loop. So you leave the main paved path, cut across the field, and you head into here. This leads us back up to Hill 60. So you may want to avoid this bush bash and then just walk along the main road through back to the bunker. It's quite overgrown. I think a lot of you will find it unpleasant. And there's not really a view to speak of, so you're not really missing out on much. Let's keep going. So here we are at the highest point on Hill 60. Beautiful 360-degree lookout over Port Kembla, Wollongong, further down south. Fishermans Beach is just down there. The rest of Hill 60 is just there. As you can see, quite a beautiful walk, but I definitely recommend you come check it out for yourselves. It's fairly easy. You definitely need to do it during low tide though, because some of those sections are non-walkable during high tide unless you consider yourself a professional level swimmer. But even then, it's still quite sketchy. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.